Hope everyone is doing good, huh, guys? Everyone's doing good. So, yep, welcome to the uh, crypto analysis channel by Dragon30. As usual, let's try to do some analysis on Bitcoin and gold. All right. If you find a good setup on gold and Bitcoin, then you make your own research and try to go accordingly. All right, guys. So. Remember that this video is not for your financial advice, in fact, okay? So just make your own research before you do anything. All right, guys, so that uh, so that you are not bashed off. Everyone, welcome, guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. I'll just send the link to the group as well, so all the people who are staying in the group they can see what's happening in my live sessions, right? So if you have not joined the group, you can join the group as well, guys. Okay, I have a free group. I have a link in the description box. You can just join over there. Welcome, guys, everyone. Hope everyone's doing good, guys. All right, so let me quickly share to the group as well. All right. Oh, Zivad, you're there. Today you could catch me, right? Okay, guys, if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you won't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? And Saturday and Sunday we have a big education session. All right, so we will be enjoying a lot. All right, guys. Okay, over here now what we see on the Bitcoin. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hours time frame and try to analyze what's happening with the Bitcoin. All right, now Bitcoin is right now forming a W pattern in this level. If you check the pattern wise, all right, just a second. All right. W pattern, you can see it. All right. So maybe if it would like to give a small retest on this level, big retest, right? And going up will be a perfect bull cycles for us, right? So that is the thing. Okay, we can expect from anywhere these levels. All right, but sometimes it can directly go up also, but usually the structure should be something like this. And if the price happens to come down from here, get rejection from here, and passing below the your level of this one, right, the H, okay, after going up will be a big bear cycle for the Bitcoin again. But if the Bitcoin happens to pass above these levels, you'll see a good bull cycle on the Bitcoin that might push the prices all the way upper side. All right, okay, so that's going to be a good bull cycle for the Bitcoin. Right now Bitcoin is at very critical point if you are checking on a uh, bigger time frame. Okay, guys, so Bitcoin is about to decide which cycle should it move on. This is like a preparation for the cycles now, right? So Bitcoin, so just be careful, guys. Okay, so most probably if there is an price breaking down, that will be a beautiful shot for the wing. Okay, if it gets rejection from the top, if you check on the bigger time frame. All right, if you're bigger time frame traders, right, guys, those who are holders. And yep, so when should it come? So especially breaking down below this one will give you a big cycle for the big downside, right? Breaking down below this trend. Okay, support, I mean support, right? And especially over here, it should be able to hold above this levels for the Bitcoin to move at least for the short term and upper side. All right, so this is what you can see on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so if I be precise, okay, over here it is in the verge of breaking down towards the downside. Let's see which side the price will uh formed, I mean the candle will be formed. This green candle right now, this red candle, it doesn't determine anything. All right, for now. So if this candle is formed on the upper side, maybe the Bitcoin will again push on the upper side. Okay, but if this candle gets on the downside, you might like to see again a small breakdown towards the downside and again push for the small retest on the upper side and come all the way down, right? So this is possible. Okay, if it breaks out, okay, the first target will be this levels, and if it happens to break out from this level, then you might like to see on the downside. Okay, for the bigger time frame, those who are going for the bullish, they just go above this level. The bigger like buyers you can see from this upper level only, I guess, after breaking above this level $75,381, you might like to see for a bigger time frame. I mean, bigger buyers, right? Zivot, Haye, Robel, all good. Zivot, Shirik, Gold View. Okay, I'll come to the Gold View as well. Just a second. All right. So let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame and quickly check it out. What's happening on the Bitcoin, right? So if you check on 15 minutes time frame, you see the price is getting breaking on the downside. Okay, so of these levels, right? So now the Bitcoin have currently reached to this levels. Okay, if you see on the 15-minute time frame, okay, right now the Bitcoin is at this level. Okay, right at the resistance. So what you think, guys? So usually those who are going for the 15 minutes time frame, if the price happens to pass above this level, they just go for the long position. Okay, and try to trace and try to retest this level once more on the upper side. So on the downside, if you check on these levels, okay, this is the trend formation you have. Okay, so most probably the Bitcoin would like to love to come towards downside. Okay, over here on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let me delete this one so you won't get confused. Okay, guys, so like this. Okay, come down to this level firstly. Okay, and move up again once more. All right, this is forming an exact trend for you. Sometimes the structure won't be formed exactly that we want, but most probably we can expect something structured like this. All right, after that, if it get a wink and pass through above this level, some people go for the long position from here. Okay, from here, and because like this is failing this breakdown, this breakdown will be failed like a proved as a failed by the Bitcoin if the price happens to pass above this level, which is the bulls will get in and push the price towards the upper side. Okay, so most probably again the first resistance towards this one, that is 0.59, and again on the other side, that is 1.3 percentage, that is going to be $76,000, right? So that is what we can see. All right. But if the price happens to get rejection from here and not able to pass above, you might like to see the price falling down again towards the $73,600, right? So this is what you can see, make it out from the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, guys, so far so cool, guys. Yep. But let's come back to the 5 minutes time frame now. Okay, 5 minutes time frame, we're coming back to the 5 minutes time frame, and let's check it out what's happening. All right, let me read the comment first, then I will go again. Okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so I was in a trade and electricity cut it off, and a SIM card also didn't get signal, so I was driving to town, signal searching signal, then I met friends in one bar and stayed there for hours. I came home. Ooh. Because of the trade, you like to get the signals, you drive all the way towards the town. Zavot, that's cool. Wow, so nice. Okay, so bad, but like so cute, right? For the trade, right? Anyways, all right, let's get back. Okay, so this is what you see on the 1 minute time frame for now. Okay, so most probably if it wants to give the perfect structure, you might like to see the price again retesting in this levels once more. Okay, one retest was done. Okay, now second retest is there. Okay, but if you want to be particular on this levels, all right, one big retest is left on upper side. If you want to be a particular in this levels, right, so price can anytime go up to retest this level. All right, this level, rate levels. All right, wherever it more the time it takes, the higher the price has a chances to move up. Okay, so more the Bitcoin takes time over here, all right, or plays around and comes this way, the higher your the rate levels will be. Okay, so price will come to test that level. Okay, the retest, since there was a breakout. Okay, on a bigger time frame, you can't see this going back for the retest. Okay, smaller time frame, the retests were done. Okay, but you in the bigger time frame, you cannot see the retest happening, right? So for the bigger time frame, the Bitcoin have to go up. All right, So that is the thing. One thing is that one. All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Now on the upper side, what you see, let me now you forget about these things now. All right. You forget about these things. Now that was on the retest for the shorter ones. But for now, there was a falling trend, okay, small falling trend, and the Bitcoin is in the verge of breaking out that one. All right. It can break out if it's able to go up, right? Now you see that if it happens to break out, the price might go to touch this rate level and come down again. All right. This is what you can expect. Okay. On the if you're on a bull side and checking it out from the other side, okay, so we always say people always say that from one side the picture will be different and another side the picture is different. The people who are aggressively looking for the bulls, they will see this picture. The picture who are aggressively looking for the bears, they will see the picture from the top. All right, so you just remember that one retest is left on the top for now. Okay, that is one advantage for the bulls. All right, I'm not giving you the financial advice, okay guys, don't take it as a financial advice. Okay, so this is what's happening. Okay, so at last the Bitcoin have to prove in the one side, okay, either in the bull or the bear. Okay, you see there was a downtrend and the price have broken out that one. All right, so if you're checking on a bull side, you might like to see something like this again. Okay, coming down and breaking out from this level is going to give you another bull trend. Okay, again it will play pump a little bit up, or if it is able to break above this one, the price might like to go up all the way. All right, hey, your BIP perfect, sir. All right, Zibura, you check it. I was in plus $5. All right, okay, life of trader. Okay, Zebula, you're in my VIP group, I remember, right? But in the VIP group also, it's not something like I dump you in the group and I just don't leave something like that. Okay, because I feel the pinch. Okay, because for the beginners, they won't know what to do over there. Okay, just getting the signals. I try to explain all of them, right, what to do over there. Okay, over here also I wanted to give you all the long setup, but I was stuck with one of the friend on the VIP mentorship and I just couldn't. But no problem, you'll get the opportunity. Opportunities are always there. Okay, okay guys, so this is what we see, what you see, right? So most probably, so if it wants to drop, but if it happens to, if the price happens to not clear off from this resistance now it is recently creating, then the price will again throw down towards the downside. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, and one thing, the price will go up to retest on the upper side. That thing you have to remember. All right, if you are checking on the bull side, okay, so now the price have to come down and retest the levels once more. Okay, so maybe something like that. Okay, so let's see anyways what happens in this levels. All right, so this is what I'm explaining to you all. Like for those who are holding looking for the short opportunities, if the shorts come from the top, that will be a beautiful shot from me because that is done after the retest. That is beautiful, right? But if you are looking for the long position, you need to come down again once more, and if it's able to pass through, then you might like to see a bigger move on the upper side. Okay, this is a 1 minute time frame. Let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame and analyze, so you'll see the good pictures over here. Why I'm saying it is like over here. Okay, let me delete this one. So if you guys are getting confused, I'm trying to explain you the setups only. All right, the education, for the education purpose only. This is not a financial advice, guys. Okay, don't think in a financial advice way. All right, so if you are looking for the shots, right, so this was the shot, right, dump it, it didn't go for the bigger retest towards this support. All right, this support, yep, on the 5 minutes. But if you happen to check it from the trend, draw the trend from the immediate recent level, you see this one. I have shown you all previously also. You see over here. Okay, again it is trying to, it is in the retest phase for the downside. So whatever I mean is like in I'm trying to let you know the structures, okay? Structures, what it is forming for now, not a setup, okay? Later on, we'll try to figure it out from where the possibilities of the plans can come, right? So over here right now, it's just the retest that's happening in this level, all right? If you check it clearly, okay? So this is one level, yep. But what I'm saying is, on retest, when it is retesting, if it happens to pass above this level, it can give you all the good pump. But if it gets rejection from the top, then you might like to see a good dump. That is the thing, okay, over this level, okay. Now the price will love to come to this level and again go till this level. Then you might like to go for the small, if I was there, I might like to go for the small long so that I can cash this one. All right, and aggressively coming down a small wink if it happens to pass through, and I might like to go continuously on the upper side. That is the plan. But if it happens to get rejection from there, this levels, and dump, okay, all the way down, that I will be planning a short position. Most probably from from the above level, it will be a beautiful shots. All right, from the above level because of your resistance at the top. If I try to shrink your resistance from the top, all right, just a second, just a second. All right, I'm going back to the gold as well. Okay, so people get the picture of Bitcoin, what's happening. I want to show it you all perfectly, okay, with the perfect blocks, right? So there's a one block, resistance block. This is another resistance block, right? So going up, this will be the first resistance that Bitcoin need to, horizontal resistance that Bitcoin need to face, and this is the next one, 75,990. But if it happens to pass above that one, you will see the price moving very high, okay, because this breakout will be proven wrong, right? So most probably firstly around 76 to $77,000, and if it passes above that one also on the upper levels. But that will be the retest for the short. So most probably from this average point, the price would love to come down. All right, don't get confused. Just make a picture in your mind that right now the Bitcoin have passed, broken down below on a bigger trend, the bigger formation. Sorry, I was just checking over here and I forgot. All right. Okay. So this is what you can see right now. The formation of there is a formation of triangle in this levels. Okay, guys, price getting squeezed with the gold. Okay, you cannot enter long or short in this level. Any like long or short both will be like both will have the stop loss will be removed. Okay, there it is trying to form one squeeze. The price getting squeezed in this levels, right? So if the price happens to move on the upper side from this levels, I might like to go for the long position, the first TP towards this levels and the second TP on the upper side, okay, on gold, okay. And if it happens to get rejection from here, it might come down. All right, for now, if you see the trend wise as well, this is just a small rising trend you can see over the gold. All right, after breaking out from the top. All right, so this is what you see. If the price happens to break above, then it might like to go up, right? So most probably what I think is, firstly, the gold, I cannot go long or short from this level. Your SL will be removed, guys. I'm not giving the financial advice, but if you try to figure it out, the gold is getting squeezed, okay? Trying to make a sideways move, all right? So coming down in this level, then one setup, if there isn't setup, then might like to go for the long till this level. That is 1.59 percentage. You might like to trace that one if it gets a setup for the longs, right? So that is one level. All right. Over here, I cannot do anything until and unless the price happens to move up and break out, especially above this average line. I might like to go for the long. All right. Otherwise, I cannot make any decisions at this levels, right? Okay, it's just getting squeezed, so it's not able to move. You see the price candles are so small. Don't go aggressively for the setups, guys. Okay, can you hear me, Zavot, can you hear me? Yep. Over here you cannot do anything on the gold, guys. Don't aggressively look for the positions. All right, if you open long, your SL will be gone. If you don't open short aggressively, your SL will be removed. So most probably I feel like what I feel is the price is going to come down and go up. So you wait for this position, or if you want to take risks, this will be a risky trade. In fact, going up, because this was the resistance whereby the price got the candle got swiped out, right? And most of the time the price got rejection from this levels, right? So most probably coming down, relaxing it a little bit, and if we get a setup, then might like to go for a long position from this levels, right? After getting a good setup, after breaking out, right? After forming your structures, right? Then might like to go for the long position from here and take it this way. Yep. So that can be one move. All right. Otherwise, can't find anything over here. Okay. On the gold setup. Right now, you cannot enter long or short, guys. This is not a financial advice. In fact, you try to research yourself. Okay, let the price move in one direction first, then only you can plan your setups. Otherwise, you just let it go on the gold. All right. Okay, gold lovers. Hi, Manoj. Hello, Manoj. Hi, guys. Hello. Those who are those who are looking for me, I'm here. Just okay. So this is the levels whereby if the price happens to pass up, well and good, right? We can go for one long position. But aggressively prices from this morning, we can see there is a drop on the price. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, over here, the price right now can come to this level and go up, something like this. So most probably, if there is a structure formation in this level and a smaller time frame, I would love to long this retest level till this level 0.56 firstly. Then if it breaks out on upper zone, well and good. If it doesn't breaks out, then it can dump all the way down, right? So careful in this levels, guys. Okay. Let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame on the Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin, for Bitcoin, why I'm setting up the plans is because like it have came out of from this triangle box. All right, though it was in this triangle box, okay, we have came out of that one. All right, for now. Okay, So most probably, let's see what happens. So for now, possible move can be one can be this levels, right? After getting a retest from this level, if it gets rejection, the price might like to dump over here. If it gets passed through, then price might like to go till 75,000 to $76,000 in upper zone. Okay, so this is what we can see right now on the Bitcoin. Okay, let me try to zoom it out so that you guys understand clearly what's happening. Right, let me clear this off. Churi churi, chuki chuki. So this is just the retest happening on the downside moves. Okay, it broke down all the way from here, came down. Okay, now the retest is being happening over here. All right. Okay, let's see, guys. Just a second. We cannot execute anything over here. Let's turn the noise into BTC. BTC, Manoj. You can see BTC now. All right. Okay, just a second. All right. Just the retest happening. If you check it on from the bearish move, all right. Just the retest happening over here. All right. So you try to see these levels right now. This is the Bitcoin can show you any directions. Okay, guys. It's just the way you look it. All right. So some will plan otherwise, like when someone is planning long, someone will be planning short. From the thousands of people, millions of people, like they will be like going, some will be going for the short, some will be going for the long. Okay, so many things happens, right? Got a rejection from here. What I'm saying is, if you are going for the confident trade, most probably breaking out from this level can give you all a good move towards the upper side. Okay. Downside right now, this is just a retest happening. Okay, so just know that immediately if you want to go for the immediate trades, okay, right now you just know that there was a price going up, moving up, it just broke out from this levels. Okay, and we are in the retest phase. Okay, this is totally on the retest phase. Okay, something like this. All right, something like this. Yep. If you try to go for the immediate 15 minutes time frame. Okay, if it breaks below this one, okay, most probably I'll be loving to short from this levels. Okay, I won't be able to short from this level because this is a high resistance from the top. Okay, so going from this, going for the short from this levels after breaking out, giving a confirmation, I would love to short from this level. Okay, and come all the way down towards this zone. Okay, or this zone first, 0.85 and 1.3% drop on Bitcoin. All right. So then why? Because like this will be completing our retest as well. All right. First retest. Okay. So from this level. Okay. So this is what we see right now. So let's try to go back again for the bull side. Okay. Bull side. Bull side. The major bulls will come only after breaking out these levels. All right. Let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame and try to analyze what's happening around. This was the immediate resistance that previously the Bitcoin had. It passed through, now it is coming down again. Okay, trying to form inverted head and shoulder patterns over here. All right, let's get back to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, and you'll get scalpings. All right, over here, scalpings over here. The immediate resistance that you have is this one. All right, to get an upper side, this needs to be broken out. Then retesting this one, you might like to get one long position, right? So this is what you see on the Bitcoin currently. Okay, let me try to be precise. No, this is better. Yep. So most probably you can expect price to come down a little bit downside. This block, firstly, this will act now. Previously it was a resistance, right? It passed through. Now it will act as a support region for you all. All right. Come to this level. All right. Then we will go for the bigger retest on the bull side. Okay. But if it happens to directly fall down without giving a buy side structure, it might like to go down all the way towards $74,666 and come back also. All right, that is also possible. Okay. So many things happening over here. All right, let's see anyways. Brother, can you check Ethereum on our time frame? Big breakdown. Okay, Manoj, possible? Yeah. My strategy, bro. Break that. Oh, strategy, trend analysis with the breakout strategy. All right. Ethereum. Ethereum 1 hour frame. Is this a cup handle pattern? Mm, Ethereum. Ethereum will be also similar like a Bitcoin only, guys. Okay, nothing much to worry. All right. Ethereum will be also similar like Bitcoin. Bitcoin only. Should I check it for you? Ethereum. Ethereum. Yes, exactly. This is what we want on the Bitcoin as well. This is 1 minute, right? We are waiting for this one. We are right now this levels, right? I want the price to go up and retest something like this on the Bitcoin, right? Okay, so 1 hour time frame, huh? 1 hour time frame. Ethereum. All right. Broke out, aggressively breaking out. Ethereum also just broke out from this level, okay, on a 1 hour time frame. Cup handle, yes, it is trying to make, okay. Just broke down from this level. Similar happened to the Ethereum also, okay. So it might like to go down and check and come back, okay. That's possible, okay, guys. So it needs to right now. This becomes very risky trade, okay. So might like to go up for the retest, okay, retest for a few more time. If it gets a rejection from here, might dump down also according to this current trend, okay. Ethereum, because it have already broken down, but if it's not able to break down, okay, not able to break down from my trend, okay, the trend it have currently trying to form, and if it happens to pass above these levels, all right, then you might like to see a good move on the upper side, okay. The confident move can be coming up from these levels only. All right, just passing a little bit upper side. okay, so that you won't get squeezed, something like that. You can get a good move on upper side, right? But as far as I know, technically, if you go right now, the Bitcoin have the Ethereum have broken down and it's just going for the retest. Okay, if it happens to get a retest pass, then Ethereum might like to dump. Okay, so that's the point. All right. So first target for the shots from the top. So if you want to do the shots, you can do the shots from this level only. If you want to do long, for now you might like to go for the long from this level, okay? But it will play around a bit, okay? It will play around and not sure also like you can get reversal from here or not, okay? Sometimes it will just make a big trend and price to play. But as far as I know for now, okay, it might like to go up, and if it breaks through, then might like to get a good move. Okay, if it gets rejection, then might like to dump all the way. Okay, simple guys. Try to look with a simple picture, and you will get it. All right. So that's for the Ethereum. All right. Khan, hey Khan, how are you, bro? I want scalping trading. Which time I use 1 minute or 5 minute, dude? Firstly, you check on 5 minutes, then you might like to go for the 1 minute. That's better, Khan. Okay. Firstly, check on 5 minutes, then you might like to go for the 1 minute. Okay, that is going to be beautiful. All right. Let me. धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना. This is on 1 minute, guys. This is what you see. Okay, this is on 1 minute for now. Right, check big trends, right? Small breakout given, not very big on the upper side. Okay, if you take the recent resistance, it got just a rejection from the level. Later on, you see the price moving up above this level. You see a very quick moves. All right, on the smaller time frame. Okay. Let me delete a few things so that it won't be that messy, right? The downtrend, okay, we are expecting some reversal. All right, so maybe reversal can directly from here, or reversal can be from this level towards the upper side. Okay, two things we can expect. One can be from here, one can be from here. All right, let's see anyways what happens, right? Let me clear all those small things off, right, so that you don't get confused. Let me delete this one as well. शाम वही शाम वही तेरे बिना ओ सनम. Let's see, guys, okay, what happens, right? This is not a financial advice. रघुपति राघव राजा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम. Right, recent one. One breakout given, guys, which is for the long. All right, one breakout given for the long. Yep, this price is being tested. One breakout given for the long setup. This will be first target for this, second target, and might get rejection from here, right? Ragupati Raghav Raja Ram. Ragupati Raghav Raghav Raja Ram. Come down. One breakout given, get retest from this level. So I am not longing it right now. Okay, I'm just letting it go. Hey, Dragon, Narendra, hi, hi. Hi, Khan, everyone. Hello, hello. Hey, hey. Hi, hi, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Bitcoin, I think, is not financial advice, okay, guys? It needs to move till this end, but I think it's too early. Maybe later from a little bit downside, it will be a beautiful one. But if it moves continuously, well and good. You might like to see a good pump only passing above this level. The quick pump you can see from this level to this one, 0.669 percentage. All right. Ragupati Raghav Raja Ram. Ragupati Raghav. First breakout done, coming for the retest. Got rejection from the top. Quick scalp, quick, very quick, very quick. Ragupati Raghav. Ragupati Raghav Raja Ram. Ragupati Raghav. Hey, Draven, are you good? Smile, brother. You look sad. No, I'm just tired. When money we make. Draven, no, no, no. I cannot, and I cannot be tired. I cannot be tired, Draven. I cannot be tired. Come on. Dragon cannot get tired. Draven, where are you? I can't see you these days. What what are you doing these days? Can't see you around. Let's go party, 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 party. 76,000. Let's see. Money we make. You can't be when money comes. Alright, alright. Always, always. I can't see you here, and so I'm sad, Rabin. I'm sad because I can't see you. Alright. Just for you all, I'm coming on a live streaming. Alright. So from Monday to Saturday, Sunday, yeah, you can continuously see me on the live streaming. Inverted formation of inverted head and shoulder pattern. Do you think this will be respected? To go aggressive bulls, Bitcoin needs to get up from this level. Then you see a quick move moving on upper side. 0.64 percentage, you'll be able to grab it. Okay. 1.25. Hi, hi, hi. Draven, Zivot, Draven is back. The hill was back. The Draven is back. I'm just thinking, okay? No more sad. I'm just thinking, guys. Three. 3. Moved around 0.31 percentage for now. I want to get rejection from here. Come down. Will be a beautiful one, right? If it continuously move, that can be a good scalping for you all on the long side from here to this. But I don't think it is directly going to move. It will just inverted head and shoulder pattern. Most people will buy over here. That is the wing that you are getting in. If it gets a rejection from here, you might like to see price again moving down, right? Or at least to this level, and again it try, right? So on a bulls, it have been aggressively breaking out. Okay, so this trend was broken out again. The Bitcoin is about to break. It have broken out the trend, but it needs to clear this off so that you guys get one scalping from here to these levels. Make your own research, guys. Don't totally depend on me. All right, make your own research. Okay. I don't want to long or short at this level right now. it breaks through, you will see a good scalping over here, guys. Dragon laughing a lot. Dragon is back. Thank God. I already wanted to complain to YouTube. Okay, okay, okay. No problem. God, no problem. It happens. It happens though. Move all the way up and get one rejection from the top. Come down again, go up. This thing will happen. I'm not directly giving you all the setups, guys. Okay. If the price happens to go move up above this level, I would love to take one scalping on upper side. This levels, you'll get 0.99 to 6 percentage. Quick one, right? But if it gets rejection, I price must come down again, and we will plan accordingly. Nothing much to worry. My guy, come, let's do this. Yes, we can do it. Yep. We can do it. We can do it. Those who are interested to join my VIP, the doors are always open, okay? To get the setup, all right? Something like I am showing you all on live stream only, all right? Cheapest VIP ever with the biggest impact you'll get with the dragon, all right? Lovely, Bitcoin is moving lovely, guys. It is moving, giving a lovely move. It gave 0.39 percentage right now. Retest happening, retest. This is the level very strong, guys. Very strong level. Bitcoin needs to pass above this level to give you all a big impact. Bigger moves you'll see if it passes above this level. This is not a financial advice, guys. Okay, don't take me wrong. All right. If it pass this one, you'll see a very, very good moves. If it's not able to pass, we'll dump again. Or the liquidation can be bigger one, smaller one. Where can it drop if it wants to? Firstly, this level. Breaking out, breaking out. Lovely, lovely. Nice dinner out tonight, thanks to Dragon. I'm not giving setups, okay, guys, because like I have few rules to be followed, okay, in the YouTube. Otherwise, previously I used to say you buy here, sell here, right? This is I stopped that one because like YouTube said that if I have to go for a long journey, move slow. It's okay, move slow. All right. Drive on, right? Dri drive on. YouTube says that I need to move slow, okay, so that I can go for the long journey, right? Steady and slow wins the race. Now, let me clear off all those off. Right. If it pass above, good scalping on upper side. Beautiful one. Inverted head and shoulder pattern formed in these levels, guys. Yep. Inverted head and shoulder pattern formed in these levels. So that aggressively, if it pass above, you'll see this move. If it gets to rejection, again, it will go for the sideways. Price needs to get retest from this level once. All right, it have to get retest anyhow. You must know that this price should be retested once more. If it breaks out, quick scalping will be there. 0.6 percentage on the upper side. VIP, I try to explain them from the down level only. That is 0.69. VIPs, right? Yes, this is the long game. Yeah, we'll fight it together. Draven will be there. Draven said that he will be always there to fight with me. Now he's gone. He never can come back. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Longs one, those who are holding long, as long as you're above this my red line, you are good to hold. Even after breaking down, if it is not passing the retest, still you are good to hold. Longs one, those who are taking longs, right? They are good to hold. If Bitcoin happens to move below this one, then again it will give small move towards the downside. Otherwise, you are good to hold. Yes, probably have to travel and pick things up. Oh, okay, okay. All right, I understand. I understand. Draven. Responsibilities are responsibilities. My responsibility is to come over here and just give you the explanation what will happen. My live streaming session will be a little bit boring because like I'm trying to stick with the rules, okay? You just follow my instructions carefully, you'll get what I mean. Boom! Can come guys. Boom! Boom! Can come 0.4 percentage. Is it only that much? 0.4 percentage or 0.569 percentage? Not yet. Got exactly rejection from this level. Now it will come down to this level. If it has to go boom, it shouldn't pass below these levels. Okay, my level of this one. Okay, one thing, one factor. All right. Second factor, shit. It needs to go up and clear this off. That's all. If I was entering, I will be entering above this, just a little bit upper side. Okay, with the stop loss below this one. Quick stop loss or quick target can be seen in these levels. All right. Even if it comes down from here, let it test. Okay, and if it is able to pass through above this level and go up and break out, that's also fine. But if it happens to go up and break below these levels, then it will go again bearish. Yep. One, two, three, go. Boom. Not yet. Boom. Got lower side. Boom. Invalid longs. Invalid got invalid long. Later on we check it. Okay, if the price happens to go up and break above this one, you will get. Let it close. Let it close. Mm, beautiful. Drop till over here. This is a 1 minute time frame, guys. 1 minute time frame. If it happens to pass above, it will give boom, no matter what, guys. Okay. But if it happens to something like that, then just break out. Save hả? Ờ, Tú, tờ giấy, tờ giấy. Those who are long holders, this level is important. No, long couldn't get activated from the top. Those who are waiting. Okay, for now, you see above this level, it can give you boom. But if it's not able to pass this level, this will be acting as a resistance and again pushing the price towards the downside. If it comes downside, firstly, this level is tested. Now, one, two, three, one, two, three. Again, it's one left. You cannot short, guys, over here. Don't short over here. For short, those who are looking for the shots, passing above, passing above, and coming down can be a good shot for you all below these levels. Long holders, if it happens to come below this red zone, this will be risky for you all. Those who are holding from the down. If you have taken the target, well and good. If I was there too long from here, I would have booked my profit from this zone, most probably. Okay. Excuse me. Retest. This was broken down. Retest is happening if you understand this. Okay, horizontal if you want to understand. That's what it is. Okay, it breaks through. Well and good. If you are understanding from the bull side, this is just the breakout that have happened over here, and this is just doing the retest on upper side. Yeah, nothing much to worry. If you short over here, you will get squeezed. If you want to short, I would love to short it after getting rejection from the top. Rejecting from the top and coming all the way down, right? Something like that. Right now, I'll let it flow. Below this level, those who are holding on the long will get riskier, okay? Until and unless you're above this one, you're good. But breaking below this one is going to be riskier for you all. And especially above below this, if you want to check horizontal supports. This will be a trend support. This will be a horizontal support. Two support you have, all right? On the lower side. One, two, three. Okay. One retest done perfectly for this one. This level of trend you had, upper trend, perfect retest was done. But how about this one? Still it is missing, right? Maybe it will go like to go down first and come up. I'm not taking any setups in the zone right now. Okay, bring stop forward. Beautiful. Okay, below this level the longs will be those who are holding from here. You need to think about it. Dragon Fortress. I'm just giving you some few analysis. You just make through that one, all right? Longs will get riskier over here. If you're holding long. Still good. I'm chewing Doma. Doma, guys, Doma. Doma is hot. Just make your analysis by yourself, okay, guys? I'm just helping you to analyze, make your own research, all right? What you see over here, the breakout is done. Okay, one thing you can make consideration of that one. Previously, what you saw, One gap filled, retest gap. If it happens to come up, then we will set up again. Not going for short yet, guys. Okay, not going for short yet. We cannot. We cannot. Where's my mic? Mic fell down. You don't have to do anything. You just focus on the retest. Okay, guys. The retest over here. Forget about everything for now. Focus on two things, guys. One breakout, one retest. Okay, rest, let it flow. Just don't do anything over here. All right. What a beautiful shot from here, right? Towards the down. Beautiful downside, 0.599%. Beautiful fake out on the top. Beautiful downside. Don't have any structures right now. Okay, don't have any structures at this level. Let's go back and see on 1 minute time frame if it forms structure. All right, now I'm deleting this one. All right, now you focus on these levels. All right. These levels to be focused. This is the resistance that you have now if you check on 1 minute time frame. All right, all gap left again, 0.11 percentage. If you find a good opportunity for a long over here, okay, then we'll try to analyze. All right. Okay. If there is price going up, breaking above this level, retesting this level, I might like to go for one long setup. But if it aggressively move down, then this will become invalid. Okay, so maybe the price likes to move on the downside. All right, right now it is stuck at this support. Okay, this support, it got stuck over here. Dragon Fortress, beautiful shot. Yes, bro. Have look on gold. Gold, gold. There is. I saw the gold are getting squeezed together just previously. gold are getting squeezed together. Oh, it came down all the way downside. Mhm. Gold also dropping a big bit, right? Where is it? What did I do? Gold USD. Gold will come to $4,768. Gold will come to this level. This is the level the gold can come. And if it continuously move down, okay, this is just my analysis, okay. If it breaks through these levels, then might like to come to $4,726. Otherwise, you can see a good reverse from here towards the upper side on a gold. Okay, this can be expected. All right, gold similar over here. Okay, gold you might like to expect some reversal from here, but if it continuously break down and gives no opportunity for the long, then again it will go down towards this down. Okay, but if it happens to hold and just give us a structure for the longer side, you can check on the 1 minute time frame. All right, gold 1 minute time frame. If it happens to give a structure, might like to see a good reversal till this point. Or if it's there is no structure for the buying zone from this level, you need to go continuously down towards the $4,723. All right, so that can be seen in the gold. It just broke out from the average pricing. All right, gold, like the triangle that you had on the gold. Gold was having one triangle, right? Triangle formation, right? It just broke out from this level. Okay, so simple. If it gets reversal structure, one level you can see it from here, one level you can check it from here for the long. Okay, otherwise over here you cannot short right now. It's already coming down. Yep, on the gold. Maybe you can expect this one, or maybe reversal from here. Okay, if you get a structure for the long, if it forms the breaks out from the recent resistance, and if it get past the retest, might like to go for the long and retest this level. Okay, and come down. If it happens to give no restructure for you all, then might like to come down all the way. Okay, on the gold. Similar with the BTC also. BTC also, what we have to check. Checking on the BTC. Oh, BTC got a big drop. Ooh, that was a very big drop. What's happening? We didn't open long. That's good, right? So this level is now done. Okay, this was one level because that is also one retest that needs to be done on the breaking out on the upper side. BTC did this retest now. It broke out on upper side. You understand this one, guys? It will be helpful for you all. BTC did the breakout on upper side, okay, and came all the way down. All right, over here. Now that there was a breakout, but no retest done, proper retest, right, on a bigger time frame. Okay, so now you are doing retest for the long side. Okay, long side. Your retest is done for the long side. Now what you can expect is in this level, most probably again, price might like to fly till this levels. Okay, and if it breaks through, well and good. If it's not breaking through, then again the price will come down. Yep, if you want to check it on the smaller time frame. So maybe if it Bitcoin can go up to this level firstly, okay, and if it's not able to break through, then it will again come down to this level and maybe pump up or again dump, right? This is the strongest support that the Bitcoin have, right? This is the thing, okay. So understand it. Okay, now you have another resistance left, the retest left in the zone. Anytime, maybe in future, maybe or after a few days, price would like to move to this level and retest this level. All right, one retest for the upper side bull side is done, which means now Bitcoin is expecting the bull side for now. Okay, bull side is expected for now, so this becomes now rubbish, right? Small fake out was given on upper side, and yep, it dropped all the way, but that was a beautiful shot. We just missed it, this one, no problem, right? We just missed it. Again, it needs form structures. Maybe it would like to fall again to this level. Maybe that is incomplete. For the longs also, I have already given you those who have holded long from here. This was the level whereby you should be exiting, right? This is the risky level. Yep, for the longs, those who had longs. Okay, now you see the price movement. Okay, how it will be from here. This is one level. Again, BTC needs to retest. We didn't take this shot. Okay, I didn't take it. If you guys have taken it, well and good, right? After that shot, feel rich. High, we would make a lot. One retest done for the bull side. Okay, guys, if you check on 15 minutes, you'll see this was the retest on the bull side. Okay, so this was the gap left on the retest. Okay, on the bull side that was filled up. Okay, now the price firstly might like to, after the, if it gets an upper zone structure is formed, an upper zone might like to go up. Okay, if it gets a rejection again, it will drop till this level. But if it pass through, now again our structure, the big scalping will come from above this level only for the bulls. Maybe you can expect structure like this now. Okay, or if it wants to directly come down, well and good. This support is broken down. Okay, so people will be shorting over here. Price will go up to move. Maybe it's a demand zone also, right? You check this levels this way. Yep, I'm not doing anything, just checking out the markets over here. All right, today you accordingly do your own research and plan your setups. All right. If you check trend wise, this is the trend it have. Now the trend is so wide. I mean like so shrinked over here, guys. Trend is shrinked. So if the price happens to get a good structure for the buy in the zone, might like to buy. I might like to buy and again plan over here, right? I might like to buy from here and move to the zone, right? So this can be one, okay? If I want to buy or breaking out from this red candles and this average one, might like to go for the buy, okay? Rest, I cannot make analysis because like right now I cannot see any trend because like over here it needs to break above this level and only the bulls will come. If you want to look for the shots will come breaking below this one, maybe like to short it after the retest, right? So that is one, and your target will be this one only. First target will be this levels only for the short now because you have already done one retest. The biggest retest, it have touched your support, trend support, almost touched your trend support. So most probably if I have to long, I shall wait for the price to come down, drop this level, then I shall plan my long and get this 1.9 percentage. All right, so that can be one plan. Hey, designer hub, how are you? Okay, we're just waiting and watching and just making analysis. Okay, so just to know that one retest is completed for the bulls. All right, so as long as those who are on the bull side, okay, as long as you are above these red levels, those who are holding for a long time from the bottom, okay, as long as you're above these levels, you're still on the bull side, okay. But if it happens to break below this one, then you have to think for the bears, okay. Bears will come in, then the big bears. Right now this is are just small moves when you compare with the big move on upper side, okay. So accordingly plan it, guys. So this level will be so important, okay guys, this level is so important. For now Bitcoin got a good rejection from the top, right? Good rejection from the top and might like to approach playing around, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, maybe like to come around some $2,316 in the coming days, right? Not right now, but in coming days you can expect the price over here, maybe, okay. First now, for now, it's an M pattern at the top, which means bearish are coming in. Okay, but before we come down all the way over here, I feel like the price will go up and retest the leftover leftover thing that the Bitcoin have left it, and it will come down. Okay, and short it. That is I think what the price will happen. Okay, that's what you can expect here. Right now given one retest, boom. I was expecting price to have at least one more retest in this level so that you approach to the resistance zone and the shorting will be beautiful one, right? Anyways, that's all guys. Okay, you just make your analysis. All right, I cannot give any setups right now, okay, but if it happens to break out from this level, you might like to look for the long, but most probably I will be looking for the long from the downside from this level. All right, Breaking out from this level will be beautiful long, so that your stop loss will be also safe. Okay, longing it from here, your stop loss is going to be a little bit, sometimes the price gets rejection from the stop and come down, all the swipe you out, right? That thing can be taken into considerations. All right, longing from this levels would be beautiful for me. Okay, and first target towards this one, $1.392. Right. Okay, Mr. Goodsell. Yeah, we also we hi Abdur. Work has been keeping me busy. All right. No, I also didn't take the shot because I was like looking. Actually, we were looking from here only, like there was a sale zone. Okay, sales were coming in, but we were trapped by the breakout that we had. All right. So I was expecting there should be a directly breakout, but rather price came down all the way downside and retested the bull side once more, which means the price is again from any level, the price has a good chance to move on upper side and break above these levels, right? Well, let's see. Anyways, that's a good sign for the bulls. Okay, the retest is done, completed for the earlier. All right, that's a good sign for the bulls. Okay, for the long-term holders, not the scalpers. Okay, for the long-term holders. Okay, that's a good sign for the bulls. Yep. So that's all, guys. See you all tomorrow. Okay, maybe we'll try to analyze tomorrow. That was a beautiful drop on a downside, but we didn't take it. All right, that's all. All right, guys. See you all tomorrow with a beautiful face, smile. Okay, signing off, Dragon. See you all.